guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the link URL or the permalink from your Gravatar online profile. So if you go to this profile of mine into Gravatar, I can see this strange icons right here, this strange URL. This is not normal, okay, because you need to set up your image. We did learning how to do this into a video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the video so you can learn how to create your Gravatar, how to customize, how to upload your photo. But the URL of your Gravatar is quite strange. It may need to reflect your brand, so it needs to have your brand name instead of this random numbers. How to fix this? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video, okay? How to customize your Gravatar profile in order to have your brand name. It's quite simple, so review the left sidebar of menus that appears on Gravatar. Scroll it down just a little bit, and next to tools you're gonna be able to find advanced settings. Click on it, and then next to general we have the account settings, okay? So profile, language, privacy and safety. Review the profile URL. Here is the URL of the profile. You can click on change. No need to purchase a domain name, okay? And right here we're gonna click and type your domain name, just like this. Let me fix the letter to be in the lowercase. That username already exists, so I cannot use this username, okay? So I'm gonna need to set up a new one. This change is irreversible, so changing the profile URL will also update your WordPress.com username. This change is permanent and will be permanently abandoned. Learn now. So we can learn more about it. If you are good with this username, all we have to do is click on change profile URL. Confirm profile URL change. This change is permanent. The username change your profile will also update, so you can confirm. Profile URL updated successfully. Now we're gonna need to log in again to your Gravatar profile, okay, because we have changed the profile URL, and it's a quite simple process. And now the URL of your profile gonna be gravatar.com plus your set URL, so your set username, in my case growthnet, okay? Simple, easy and very effective, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.